Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again. Today I shall be teaching you how to make the soya bean milk. Now the materials we require for a soybean milk is the soybean seed, our bowl. This time we need a bowl or a bucket, our clean water, that is the water you drink, that is what we need for this, our sieve. You can use the cheesecloth. This time we are not going to use the ordinary sieve we use for coconut milk. No. This time around we are going to use the cheesecloth to sieve our soya bean, and we are going to have a cooking pot and your stove or your gas cooker or your Chinese stove, whichever one. There should be something to prepare the soya milk. Also include flavors, the milk flavor, the vanilla flavor, and add sugar as well. This time we are going to add sugar, but in a minute quantity. This all depends on individual taste. So we're going to begin. How do we make soya milk? First of all, you take 4 cups of the soya bean seed and soak in the water. I prefer to soak for 4 hours. Now, why do we soak? We soak our soya bean for it to ferment. There are some enzymes that needs to be broken down. Those enzymes are not good when consumed, and for that reason, we have to soak our soya bean for at least 4 hours. When we are done with soaking, then of course, before we even go to the soaking, we have to wash it. You know the way you wash your beans when you want to make moi moi, or when you want to fry akara or kose for those from Ghana. That is exactly the same way you do for your soya bean. You remove the outer cover. Then when we are done with removal of the outer cover, we now soak. When you now soak, you leave it for 4 hours for fermentation to take place. As soon as fermentation has taken place, you blend your soya bean with drinking water. Now, soya bean is the preparation of soya bean milk is a very delicate one, because if you're not careful, the milk will sour right before your eyes, and you won't be happy that the labors, the washing, the waiting for the fermentation is just gone. So you have to be extremely careful. Everything you have to use have to be clean, starting from the bucket, the spoon, the cheesecloth, the pot, the water, everything you have to use for the preparation have to be clean. Then, as soon as you are done blending it to a smooth consistency, it has to be in a paste-like form. Then you begin to see, just begin to see your pack. That is why I made mention of the cheesecloth. So you begin to see, you save it, and when you're done, the milk that comes out from it, you put it on the fire. So everything has to be ready, because the preparation of the soya bean milk is a very delicate one, like I mentioned before. And if one is not careful, all your labor would just go. So as soon as the milk is out, you put it on fire and allow it to boil. As it boils, you begin to, when something is getting cooked, there is an aroma it produces. As soon as that milk boils and boils and boils and begins to rise, normally all milk, animal milk, when you put it on fire, and begin to, when it gets to the boiling point, it begins to rise, that to the point that it could remove the cover of the pot. That is exactly what happens with soya. So as soon as it gets to the boiling point, you leave it for some time. Now, at some point, when it has boiled for some time, it begins to have some things on top of the milk, like that should be the oil. The oil begins to come out and it sails on the top of the milk while it's boiling. As soon as that happens, just rest assured that the milk is cooked. And while it happens, you can have a small bowl by the side to scoop those things that come out. And when you're satisfied, I can't really say you cook for 30 minutes or you cook for 1 hour because the quantity matters. The quantity you're preparing matters. But as soon as you yourself perceive the aroma, it gives that soya nut milk aroma. As soon as you begin to perceive that aroma, just know that it's milk. And then add milk flavor, the vanilla flavor, whatever flavor you want. Just don't make it too much. Just minute and then add the sugar. Now your soya milk is ready. You allow it to cool, and then when it comes to because if you put it in a bottle or in a jar, not good. Everything is done. Like you just see your milk sour. That is why I mentioned that it's a very sensitive one. So you pour the milk into your bottles and jar and refrigerate. Now soybean milk is very you use it to have your morning breakfast in place of Milo and milk. Milk. You can use it to have your heart. You can also give it to your children. It's amazing. And one other thing is some people find it difficult to sleep. But trust me, when you have taken a full bottle of soya milk, oh my god, you will sleep like a baby. And then soybean milk is nutritious. Consider the fact that it's gotten from a plant makes it more nutritious and healthy for the body. So if you're having issues with digestion of cow milk, why don't you give a soya milk a try out? I know you've learned so much. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also remember to leave your positive comments down below. See you next time.